Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you how to install Gmail on your Android phone. Let's get straight into it. If you don't already have Gmail on your phone, or you simply need to update it to the latest version, I'll show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to start on the home screen of my Android phone. The first thing I need to do is open the Google Play Store. If you can't find the Play Store, don't worry. You can tap the search bar at the bottom of the home screen and quickly search for Play Store. You'll see a number of results appear. Choose the Play Store app shown on the far left of the results. I'm going to return to the home screen, however, and open the Play Store from there instead. Once the Play Store is opened, I'm going to search for the Gmail app. To do that, I'm going to tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen, in the middle. This opens up the search page. On this page, I'll just type Gmail into the search bar. The Gmail app now appears in the search results. It's worth mentioning that Gmail is normally included on Android phones, so in many cases, you won't be able to completely uninstall it. On my phone, the app is already installed, and it'll likely be already installed on yours. But it's an older version on my phone, so I do have an update button instead of an install button. If your phone shows install, simply tap that instead of the update button. I'm going to tap update to proceed. Android will now download and install the latest version of Gmail. You'll know that installation is finished when the blue open button appears next to the app. Let's tap the open button to launch Gmail. Gmail will now open for the first time, and you'll be guided through the initial setup. I'm going to tap Take Me to Gmail to continue. Gmail now opens and takes me into my inbox. You may also see a few welcome messages or tips for the first time you open the app. Once you've dismissed those, Gmail is ready to use. I'm now going to return to my home screen, and you'll notice that the Gmail app isn't currently shown on mine. If you want quicker access to the app, here's a useful tip. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app drawer. I'll quickly search for Gmail, and when it appears, I'll tap and hold the Gmail icon. I can now drag this app onto my home screen and place it wherever I like. I'll position mine next to the Play Store. The Gmail app is now installed, updated, and much easier to access whenever you need it. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.